Sorry about that, but my video got cut again. So my video while I'm gonna check the storage, my video was paused. It was stopped. But now this part two. I'll drink this one. Hmm. Part one is linked down below. So if you wanna watch part one first, then watch part one. So yeah, my noodles here. I only posted 30 minutes long because I cannot post more, so that it will not take long for me to launch it. But yeah. I almost actually just got the strength. Ah. Yeah. See here? This is how big. Wait. Search this in the Google and see how spicy it is. Yeah, I have now done it, and now I'm just gonna drink water. Sorry about that, but I'm just gonna drink water. I have this drink. So yeah, like and subscribe for more videos that I need. If you like and subscribe, it's a good to me. But if you don't subscribe, it's okay also. It doesn't matter for me how many subscribers, because this video is about my videos in my channel. So like and subscribe to so that wait like and subscribe so that I can have another video. Goodbye. Goodbye and have a good day today.